question for now. He is asking, if I just go down, he said 2 questions. So we will take Fahim's question for now. He is asking, if I just go down, he says it's a student of Islamic studies in Cambridge. How important is it to engage in academic discussions of Islam with Orientalists in this age? And how important is it, maybe, I don't know if we can take the full question, but I'll ask it anyway. How important is it to study works of sociology and philosophy from Islamic scholars like Al-Biruni and Ibn Sina? Would these benefit Muslims in the West to navigate the challenges faced?
The challenges that are faced by Islam and Muslims, there are many, many really. Some of them are posed by Orientalists, some are many by other people. Certainly in this Ummah, there should be people who could answer, each of these group, properly. Not everybody does everything, but some people will be for something. So, some people should study, Orientalist work and see what their doubts they raise and how many Muslims are influenced by them. If nobody influenced by them, don't worry. But there are some doubts which influence some Muslims, then you should study that and write nicely in a way that clears their doubts and purify the hearts and minds of the believers. Similarly, the people in the past, Muslims like Ibn Sina, Al-Biruni, and all these people, most of these people have done a lot of good works. So if that's your field, yeah, you should need to study them, see how clever they are. You can learn from their, thinking and understanding and their mind to reason yourself. So they are very, very clever people of the past in Islam. Now we don't have people like that. So people should read their book and see really how they think, and then use that for the right purpose. Then use that to understand the Quran and the Sunnah and how to help the humanity and how to answer the wrong questions. If you are not clever enough, you can't do anything. So people need to develop, reasoning. It's very important. Most of people just their knowledge is just copy. They copy from the text and they don't develop anything. They don't analyze. They can't actually derive anything from that. So that's a very superficial knowledge. That's actually what most of the people, people in the masjid teach, just copying. They don't develop anything. So yeah, some clever people should study these things.
Okay, inshallah, let's take one more question. It's quite short, so hopefully, inshallah,